Sweet talking, the art of flattery and persuasion. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into a phrase that you've probably heard in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversation: sweet talking. But what does it really mean? Let's unpack this sugary expression and see how it's used in English. Stay tuned to master the art of sweet talk. Sweet talking refers to the act of praising someone or using flattering words with the aim to persuade them or win them over. It's like verbal candy. It's pleasant to hear and can make the receiver feel good, but it's sometimes done with a hidden motive. It's not just what you say. It's how you say it, with charm, smoothness, and a dash of emotion. To sweet talk effectively, one needs to blend compliments, flattery, and tact. It's the way you might tell your friend, "You have such a way with words," when you need help writing a speech. Or perhaps when negotiating, you might say, "I can see you're a person of great taste." It's all about making the other person feel special and valued. Sweet talking can be used in various situations, from trying to make a sale, to smoothing over a disagreement, or even dating. It's a skill that, when used with good intentions, can create positive connections. But beware, it can also be seen as manipulative if the person realizes that the flattery is insincere. Let's see how sweet talking works in action. Imagine a student trying to get an extension on their paper. They might say to their teacher, "I've always admired how fair you are with deadlines, and I'm hoping you'll consider my request." This is a classic example of using admiration to influence someone's decision. And there you have it. Sweet talking is all about using the right words at the right time to make someone feel good and possibly get what you want. Remember, while sweet talk can be powerful, it's best used with honest intentions. We hope this video helps you understand and maybe even practice some sweet talk in your conversations. Keep learning, and see you next time.